IPG is the world's leader in high-power industrial lasers. Our mission is essentially to make lasers more affordable and easier to use because we want to see them used broadly across many industries. We do everything in that laser to control both cost and its performance. One of the things about the LaserCube that the customers really like is its accuracy. We use very high accuracy encoders for the motion platform, and this allows us to do very high precision work. The tagline for the machine is small parts made easy, and that's really the market that we're addressing. The people that make low volume parts and make a wide variety of these parts, this is a perfect machine for them. It's easy to use, it's low cost to operate, and it's easy to acquire.
We don't have a big shop, so it fit better in our shop, and it's just easier to load smaller sheets into the machine, especially with the pull-out table that the Cube does have. They're always upgrading the machines and improving on the technologies they have. And we knew that if we put this machine on the floor today, if new technology came out from IPG a year, 2 years down the road, we could go and integrate that new technology into our machine and upgrade it. And that was a very attractive feature for us.
Fiber lasers and our kind of cutting machine is changing how the world does business by lowering the cost of doing business. So if you're a manufacturer and you're in North America, you're worried about your cost. You're competing against a global marketplace. So to be able to use a product like ours to lower your overall cost and to be able to produce parts for your customers at the price points that they're looking for, that's a tremendous advantage. And it's going to allow their businesses to grow. It really comes to systems. That's what's really important because our customers really like buying from the US. And so to have a US manufacturer of a laser cutting system is really unique.
After having the IPG LaserCube on our floor for just 4 months, we quickly have realized that it's saving us money, it's saving us time, it's increasing our capabilities, and it's definitely the right solution for our shop floor.
If customers would like more information, we encourage them to give us a call at 508-373-1100.